Marasun is here to help you reimagine the home improvement experience. Let's bring your dream to life in a world where the contractor knows and believes in the importance of communication and accountability. Let's discuss your roofing, siding, gutters, windows, and doors with accuracy and radical transparency. Where sustainability does not currently exist, let's create it. Let's not just be another builder in the community. Let's build community. And let's find gratitude in everything that we do together. No concept too big, nor project too small. All we need to know is why. Why is this project meaningful to you? And what are your goals? We will complete an 88-point ground and drone inspection of your property utilizing a military-grade AI measurement software to create a 3D model of your home. We will share the exact measurements of your home and the exact quantities of the materials we are going to use to transform it. Accuracy and radical transparency in action. We are here to bring your dream to life. Let's create something beautiful.